Dear children, we'll start a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, the circulatory system. In the last session, in the last live session, we completed chapter number 5, that is transpiration, and chapter number 6, that is photosynthesis, was done a long time back, and so chapter number 7, that is chemical coordination in plants, is not there in the syllabus according to the revised syllabus. So we are directly jumping to chapter number 8, that is the circulatory system. Okay, circulatory system is a system which is involved for the, or which is responsible for the transportation of different important substances, you know, from one organs of the body to different organs of the body. Okay, that means to and from the organs of the body. Okay, so and this system mainly consists of the heart. Okay, okay, the circulatory system mainly consists of the heart, and about heart will be that is, we'll talk about the heart in the, in the other sessions of this chapter itself. Then comes your vessels. Okay, vessels. So vessels, so there may be blood vessels, there may be lymph vessels. Okay, so blood vessels mainly include the arteries, veins, and capillaries. All right, and similarly, lymph vessels also are there, through which the lymph flows. Then the third important part of this circulatory system, or the your component of the circulatory system, is your circulating fluid. Okay, circulating fluids. So these circulating fluids are of three types. Okay, they are blood. Okay, they are blood. Very importantly, it is blood. Then about blood, we know. So mainly blood is composed of the blood cells. All right, that is RBC, WBC, platelets. Okay, similarly there is plasma. So we'll talk about it afterwards. Then comes your lymph. Okay, which flows through the lymph vessels found there in the lymphatic systems, such as tonsils. Okay, spleens, so they are there. Then the other one is your tissue fluid. What is there? Tissue fluid. So this tissue fluid is found in between the cells, that means in the space between the cells in organs. So there this tissue fluid is present. So these are the three important parts found consisting your circulatory system. So let me tell you once again what circulatory system is. So circulatory system is a system consisting of the heart, vessels, circulating fluids such as blood, lymph, tissue fluid, and responsible for transporting or circulating the different things there in the body. Okay, and transporting the different important substances to and from the organs of the body. Okay, that is a circulatory system. So why do we need circulatory system there in the body? So as I've told you, this is meant for circulating or transporting the different substances to and from the organs of the body. So you see those substances like digested substances, those food which are digested, okay, are also to be transported from the digestive system to different parts of the body. So we have got a digestive system there, okay, by which we digest the food. That means there in the digestive system, what we do is that we take the food in, okay, we eat it up, then the food will be passing down to the small intestine. Okay, then in the small intestine the food will be completely digested. So after its digestion, the food will be absorbed. Okay, the food will be absorbed by the blood vessels present there in the wall of the small intestine. All right. So there on the wall of the small intestine there are villi like finger-like projections which are called villi, which are richly supplied with blood vessels. So these blood vessels present there contain blood, and this blood will absorb those digested food materials, and the food materials are transported that way to each and every cell where it is needed. Okay, similarly, here we have got respiratory system there. There in the respiratory system, what we do is that we take the oxygen in. Okay, that means we take the air in. So from the air, only the oxygen is picked up by the hemoglobin and is taken to the different cells where the respiration takes place. So after the respiration, carbon dioxide is formed, and that carbon dioxide will be picked up again by the your hemoglobin and is brought back to the lungs, and from lungs it is given out. So for this purpose also the circulatory system is needed. Okay, similarly there in the body we have lot of extra water, extra salts, nitrogenous waste substances like urea. So these are all to be thrown out of the body. Okay, before they are thrown out of the body, they have to be taken to the excretory system. Okay, so to take them to the excretory system also the circulatory system is needed. So these are the things, these are the reasons why we need the circulatory system. Okay, so circulatory system can be observed in two types. That is your closed circulatory system. Okay, closed blood circulatory system, closed blood circulatory system. Then second we have got open blood circulatory system, open blood circulatory system. Okay, these two types of your circulatory system can be seen: closed blood circulatory system and open blood circulatory system. So in the closed blood circulatory system, what we find is that the blood flowing through the closed circuit, flowing through the closed vessels, which you can see there in your diagram also. Here you see the diagram here. When you see here, you can easily make out that blood flowing through the closed circuit or closed vessels. So this kind of your circulatory system is called your closed blood circulatory system, which you can see in our cell. All right, and whereas in some insects we find the blood or the fluid substance flowing through the open spaces. Okay, there in the body, open spaces. So such kind of your circulatory system is called open blood circulatory system. Okay, so this is the introductory session of this chapter, the circulatory system. So we'll end it up today at this point itself, and we'll continue in the next session. Thank you.